Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see archive stories on Facebook. It's a pretty easy thing to do, so keep watching the video till the end so you don't miss any step. Head over to your Facebook application. So once you're there, just head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, click on your profile. And here you will find that three dots icon just beside edit profile. Go there, and here you can find the archive option just right under the profile status. Click on it. So once you're there, just click on story archive. So here you can find all of your story archive from your past that you made archived, or you have archived the stories previously. So yeah, this is how you could just do it. You can also share a story from your archive by clicking the share story or make it highlight. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.